See that guy in the beat-up pickup, worn seats, sputtering engine? Feel bad for him? Well, don't.
He's actually sitting on $4 million in assets, while the guy in that leased BMW, minus 50 grand.
Welcome to a world where looking poor is literally your most powerful financial superpower.
We call it stealth wealth. Honestly, chasing status and flashy appearances is quietly killing your net worth.
Now here's the deal. Appreciating assets actually put money in your pocket, while flashy liabilities just drain it.
Leasing a luxury car instead of buying a reliable used Toyota? That easily costs you over 50 grand.
Real millionaires intentionally drive ordinary cars. Then they pump all those savings straight into things like index funds.
Take Ronald Reed, for example. Just an ordinary guy, right? But he quietly built an absolute fortune. Working decades as a mechanic and a janitor, Reed lives super modestly, even pinning his jacket together. But get this, when he died at 92, he left behind an estate worth $8 million. His secret? Extreme frugality plus holding on to diversified, dividend-paying blue-chip stocks for decades. That invisible wealth let him leave massive, life-changing donations to his local hospital and the library. Amazing.
So, the real question is, how do you apply these stealth wealth principles to your own life?
Well, you can start building capital right now with a step-by-step list of 3 millionaire-tested habits.
Step 1. Automatically save 20%. 2. Invest consistently. And 3. Stop wasting money on flashy status symbols.
By automating savings and dodging that sneaky lifestyle creep, you can literally buy yourself an early retirement.
See, frugal investors consistently grow their portfolios by prioritizing total peace of mind over stressful, expensive logos.
The core idea here is incredibly powerful. True wealth is simply the money you haven't spent yet.
It's all about freedom. Securing your own time is way more valuable than wearing flashy clothing brands.
So, will you chase status or choose freedom? Check out the link under this explainer to learn more.